Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I am here to guide you of class 2. I hope you have done your previous work. Next we are going to do our remaining summer pack. Open your page number 44. Here our activity is about write the correct name under the picture and take the picture where we can use a computer. Uh, There are some names are given in this box: classroom, school hall, library, canteen, field, and computer room. So we will write here the correct name under the picture. First is field, second is school hall, and third is library, and fourth is computer room, and fifth is canteen, and last is classroom. Now we will tick the picture where we can use a computer. So we can use a computer in class room, computer room, and school hall and library. So we will go to next page number 45. Here another as activity is about how to switch on a computer. Tick the correct answer. Step 1 is about switch on the electricity. Here we will tick on C. And step 2 is switch on the monitor, so we will tick on part B. And in step 3, switch on the system unit, so we'll tick on point A. And step 4 is wait for the on the screen, so we will tick on point A. Here there are some steps that show how to switch on a computer. So our next page is 46. Another activity is how to shut down a computer. Fill in the boxes with the correct letter. Here letters are mentioned: A, B, C, D, and E. So we will write the correct letter under um, these boxes. In the boxes, click step 1 is click on the start button, so we will letter A. And in step 2, click on the